Since childhood, I was educated in a family environment filled with great people. My character formation is directed to always have a clear ambitions and goals in life. Besides that, I was also born on December 29th, which is a person with the Capricorn sign, who is a person with strong goals and ambition. In my life, there are many hopes to achieve, one of which is to become an ambassador or an accomplished diplomat. Apart from that, I also want to always make my big family proud and to be a beacon of hope for all families in the future. I also hope that I can become a wise and a charismatic figure. That way, I will become a respected person. My hopes and dreams in the future are how to always be someone who can inspire and motivate many people. Also, can always be able to bring up positive things in every problem. I think those are some of my hopes for the future, and I believe that with hard work and unceasing prayer, all of this will always be achieved.